Hey guys! Hello! Kung bago ka sa channel ko, let me introduce myself. My name is Wayne. I'm an HR/recruitment professional since 2009 and also a travel blogger. Bago lang ako sa YouTube, pero kung browse mo yung channel ko, please do so. Mapapansin mo na may upload ako 2 videos, which is my travel adventure sa South Korea back in December 2009. 30 days bago nagkaroon ng outbreak ng coronavirus. And thank God hindi kami na-infect, no? So, please kindly watch it po. Alam ko, sabit na tayong lumabas, sabit na tayong mag-travel, locally and internationally. So, at least kahit nasa bahay tayo, we can actually travel pa rin by watching YouTube videos. So, makakaasa kayo na marami pa akong i-upload na videos. Yung susunod na travel video na i-upload ko is yung episode 3 ng South Korea namin, which is yung Busan. What can you expect from this channel? Of course, travel adventures. I'll be sharing that to you guys. Travel tips, especially that I'm a budget traveler. And for example, ano yung mga apps na ginagamit ko para sa isang lugar or para bumili ng ticket for the entrance fees ng mga tourist attraction, or perhaps airline tickets, no? Visa, we'll talk about it in the future as well. Yung second, the purpose ng vlog ko is, of course, I wanted to help the community. As an HR/recruitment professional, I wanted to share some tips and techniques, do's and don'ts sa pag-apply ng trabaho, during interviews, paggawa ng resume, etc. etc. Kaya po, for this vlog, ang focus po nito is about career. Ang career po nito is pwede natin gawin sa loob ng bahay natin, or what we call home-based jobs or online jobs. So, very timely kasi naka-enhanced community quarantine tayo. So, kahit papano na yung iba sa atin, of course, nawalan talaga ng income, at least meron pa rin tayo na-generate ng income kahit nasa loob tayo ng bahay natin. Safe tayo from, what's happening outside during this pandemic crisis. Actually prepared 7 tips for you guys. Let's begin! Sisimulan ko po yung mga tips ko sa inyo for home-based jobs and online jobs doon sa tingin ko very popular right now at malaki rin yung kikitain, all the way doon sa mga stable at mabilis kang kikita. So, ganun po natin i-discuss yung mga tips na yan. So, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga marami tayong racket or marami tayong pinagagalingan ng income natin, or what we call multiple stream of income. Siguro at least 3. Let's begin. For number 7, ito yung TikTok. Okay? So very, very popular siya right now. So, kung ikaw ay hindi ka mahiyain, marunong ka sumayaw, kumanta, umakting, so all you have to do is just do your stuff in TikTok, have a TikTok account, at pag marami ka ng loyal followers na nanonood sa'yo, then mapapansin ka ng mga product brands. Sila mismo yung lalapit sa'yo para i-endorse mo yung product nila sa TikTok account mo lang. So malaking kitaan doon. Of course, you'll be paid based on the endorsement you'll be doing while doing the TikTok habang nag-enjoy ka. But of course, it takes some time and it takes creativity rin with TikTok. Kasi syempre, marami nang uma-acting, marami rin kumakanta, marami rin sumasayaw sa TikTok. So, kailangan talaga ng creativity. At marami na rin nagti-TikTok ngayon. Hindi lang yung mga ordinary citizens, but also celebrities. So, talaga yung competition very tough. So, kailangan mo lang maging creative. Ano yung mga hindi pa ginagawa sa TikTok? And kailangan mo talaga maging very confident while doing TikTok. Okay? So, number 6, ito, ginagawa ko right now. YouTube. So with YouTube, definitely, kikita ka sa YouTube. You can monetize yung mga vlogs mo na ina-upload mo sa YouTube. But please take note, meron mga parameters or condition yun. And what is the condition? Kailangan meron ka ng 1,000 subscribers at meron ka ng 4,000 viewing hours sa YouTube channel mo. So, it doesn't happen overnight, not unless nag-viral yung video mo. And same thing with TikTok. Babalikan ko yung TikTok. So, ang maganda lang kay YouTube, anything under the sun, pwede mong gawin. Pwede kang mag-upload ng video. Nagluluto ka, sumasayaw, kumakanta, mga tutorials, games, fashion, entertainment, comedy acts, lahat pwede mong gawin. pwede mong i-upload sa YouTube kasi maraming iba't ibang klase ng viewers sa YouTube all over the world. Pwede ang target mo, Philippine audience lang. Pwede rin namang ang target mo is outside the Philippines. So kung outside the Philippines, definitely you have to speak in English at mas malaki daw yung bayaran. Ngayon kung Philippine-based, definitely kikita ka pa din. No? So especially right now, ang mga Pilipino talaga mahilig manood ng YouTube. Maraming nag-viral ng mga videos sa social media na galing mismo sa mga YouTubers. So again, of course, it takes time. Kasi for you to have 1,000 subscribers, kailangan din ng sipag. For you to have 4,000 viewing hours, kailangan yung content ng YouTube vlogs mo is very interesting at timely, no? Para tumas yung viewing hours mo, you can visit YouTube. There's a lot of tutorials there na share ng mga YouTubers kung paano gawin yun. So, I strongly suggest that you visit their channels para malaman nyo kung paano dadaming subscribers nyo. But then again, this is also something na would also take some time. Next is for number 5, affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you're basically part of the marketing team of another company. So you'll be endorsing their business, their products through your platform. So ano yung platform mo? So that can be your website, your own personal website, or your company website, or even using your social media account, your Facebook account, your Facebook page, or your Instagram, your Twitter. So all you have to do is that ilalagay mo lang yung mga web links nung affiliate sa mga social media accounts mo or sa website mo, and every time na pupunta doon yung mga netizens or mga followers mo, and if they click that, definitely they will be routed to the website or to the company of your affiliate, and every time they click it or perhaps buy the product of your affiliate, dun ka kikita, no? So itong mga affiliate marketing na to, marami to sa internet at maraming popular brands. No? One perfect example ng affiliate marketing is yung affiliate marketing program ng Lazada. No? So if you have a website, all you have to do is just link the Lazada affiliate link sa website mo or sa sa Facebook page mo, and every time i-click yon at mag-shopping yung nag-click na follower mo doon, definitely kikita ka. So it also takes some time kasi syempre kailangan masipag ka na mag-create ng traffic doon sa website mo. You have a lot of followers sa Facebook page mo, you have a lot of followers sa Instagram mo, etc. etc. So what I'll be doing is dun sa description box ng vlog na to, I'll be putting different affiliate marketing programs na pwede mong salihan, na pwede mo ilagay sa personal website mo or sa social media account mo. Kailangan mo lang mag-create ng account. And most of them walang bayad. So, all you have to do is just create an account, of course, provide your bank details, and then you can now start linking their website, their web links, affiliate links sa website mo or sa social media accounts mo. Next, number 4. Ito, kilalang ko yung tong trabaho na to. Freelancing. No? So, before, when we say freelancing, punta ka sa client mo, freelancer ka, hindi ka full-time employee. Okay, parang consultant. No? Mag-freelance ka, merong ipapagawa sa yung project, etc. But right now, freelancers can actually work from home. And ang mga hinahanap dito, very specific in skills. Mga skills na hindi kalimitang nagagawa ng common na tao. So what are those? Yung mga gumagawa ng website na kailangan talagang pag-aralan mo sa school or na-experience mo na sa trabaho. And of course, yung mga gumagawa ng softwares, and even yung freelance recruitment. So, meron din ganun. So, if you have those specific skills, may IT skills ka, software development skills ka, definitely, pwede ka maging freelance developer. Now, all you have to do is visit job portal sites kung saan may mga job postings na mga freelance jobs. For payout, pwede kang, depende sa usapan nyo. Pwedeng maghingi ka ng down payment or pwedeng pag natapos yung project. So, malaki rin ang kitaan dun sa freelancing kasi nga per project basis siya. And then also for freelance recruiter, ganun din. Kung actually hindi mo naman kailangan na may experience ka sa pag-recruit, no? if this is like an 80-20, 80%, most of the time, natatanggap talaga yung mga may experience sa recruitment, pero 20%, may mga natatanggap din na freelance recruiter na wala talagang recruitment experience or years of recruiting experience. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, if you want to be a freelance recruiter, kailangan may malaki kang network or malaki kang community. So where do you begin? Of course, you begin with your Facebook account. Kung 1,000 yung friends mo, pwede mong i-post sa newsfeed mo yung openings ng client mo. And all you have to do is just get your resumes. And then pag nakuha na yung resume, at nasa yun yung resume, and then of course, you just pass it on to your partner or company kung saan nag-freelance ka. No? Maraming pwedeng trabaho na maraming nag-o-offer ng freelance development na job online. So, kung saan yun po yung i-share ko sa description box para makahanap kayo ng mga freelance job kung kayo ay IT professionals or gusto nyo maging isang freelance recruiter. Ang gagawin nyo lang, magre-recruit lang kayo. Number 3, virtual assistant. So, ang virtual assistant or VA, sikat na sikat dito right now. So, ano ba trabaho ng virtual assistant? So, basically, you'll be working with someone, assistant ka, or let's put it this way, para kang secretary ng isang tao, ng isang professional or isang business owner. So, pwedeng yung boss mo is nandito sa Pilipinas, pero most of the time, itong mga VAs na to, ang kanilang sinusupport, ang kanilang mga boss ay foreigners. So, pwedeng mga taga-US or taga-UK, no? So, pwede ka maging VA kung masipag ka, you know how to use email. Ang gagawin mo lang, ikaw yung magbabasa ng email ng boss mo, ikaw yung mag-email sa mga clients, sa mga partners, or sa mga employees niya, ikaw yung mag-organize ng mga email documents niya, or yung mga files niya sa online drive, and ikaw yung mag-set ng mga calendar or schedule of meetings niya. And other than that, meron din mga VAs na very specific din na pinapagawa yung mga employers. Ang bayad dito is most of the time per hour. Most of the time din, dollar din ang bayad dito. So all you have to do is have your own bank account or mag-create ka lang ng PayPal account. Sa pag-create ng PayPal account, hindi kailangan mong magbayad ng any set of fees or subscription fee. In fact, you can create a PayPal account for free. Number 2, online teaching jobs. Ito, sikat na sikat right now. So, sa Facebook pa lang, ang dami na nag-o-offer ng mga online teaching careers na pwede mo talagang gawin sa bahay. No? So, kasi nga, tayo mga Pilipino, second language natin ang English. So, talagang marami sa atin, bata pa lang, marunong na tayo mag-communicate in English. Marami nag-o-offer ng online teaching jobs. At ang common students mo dito is mga Koreans, of course, nakatira sila sa South Korea, mga Chinese from China, and of course, mga Japanese din. So, ang payout dito is per hour din. No? Yun nga lang, please take note. Kailangan meron kang stable internet connection. Most of the time, it's DSL or wired. Plus, you have a good laptop. No, same thing goes with virtual assistant and freelance developers. And even for recruiters. Kasi lahat ng to, kaya nga sinabing home-based jobs, lahat to is connected and you would need a good and stable internet connection. For computers naman, may mga online teaching jobs na hindi kailangan ng very, hindi kailangan ng very high specs dun sa computer nyo. But of course, most of the time, kakailanganin nyo yun. Ngayon, kung wala kayong mga, of course, computer, definitely, what you can do is just ask, borrow from your friends, relatives, yung malapit lang sa inyo kasi nga, hindi naman tayo pwedeng pumunta sa mall, sarado yung mga businesses. Plus at the same time, hindi tayo pwedeng labas ng labas dahil baka may effect tayo. So, pwede tayo manghiram para we can start our online teaching jobs. And hindi naman kailangan may teaching experience so long that you can speak in English. At kailangan mo lang talagang makahanap ng mga online teaching companies na tumatanggap kahit walang teaching experience. Pero kung may teaching experience ka, of course, it's your advantage. Number 1, ito, Ito, number one, kasi mabilis kang kikita and malaki rin naman yung kita, no? Enough para sustain mo yung monthly living mo, no? For you and even for your family. Kung mayroon kang anak, or may asawa ka na, may pamilya ka, or you're the head of the family. So, ito yung mga work from home na call center jobs. So, ito, maraming nag-offer dito. By the time na nagkaroon ng enhanced community quarantine, maraming call center or BPO companies na talagang nag-off na yung mga employees nila, instead na ma-infect ng COVID-19 sa pag-travel, sa papunta sa mga opisina, pinadala yung mga computers nila, laptops, desktop, and headset sa mga bahay. So right now, maraming companies, BPO companies, yung nag-o-offer ng work from home. So, ang tanong lang is, kailangan ba magaling ka mag-English? Well, maraming call center jobs na work from home na kailangan talaga, you need to be able to converse in English. Hindi lang basta you can communicate. You have to be able to converse. Kasi nga, yung clients are based from the US, the UK, or different parts of the world. So definitely, the medium of language and conversation is English. Meron din naman bilinguals, no? So if the clients are based in Japan, definitely you need to be able to speak in Japanese or perhaps Korean or Thai. Now, pero meron din namang mga BPO jobs na work from home na non-voice. Meaning, hindi mo kailangan maging magaling sa English. Ang kailangan lang is mabilis kang mag-type. So yung words per minute mo, mga at least 25 and up, no? And then at the same time, you're computer literate. When we say computer literate, kasama na doon yung marunong kung gumamit sa internet, mag-navigate ng desktop, ng computer, mag-open ng mga Word, documents, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. etc. Mag-click na kung ano-ano, yung hindi ka takot, no? So, ito, pwede mong gawin sa bahay. At the good thing about this is that pwede mag-apply ka sa mga BPO companies na pinapadala nila mismo yung mga computer sa bahay ng employee nila. Lalo na kung wala kang computer sa bahay or kahit nagbo-board ka. Basta may stable internet connection ka. Meron din namang mga BPO companies na nag-o-offer ng stable ng internet connection, yung mga pocket wifi, etc. etc. So, all you have to do is kailangan maging masipag ka lang sa paghahanap ng mga work from home na BPO jobs or call center jobs. So, those are the top 7 na online home-based jobs na pwede nyo gawin during the enhanced community quarantine. At kung may mga alam pa kayong iba para makatulong tayo sa ating mga kababayan, please comment down below and i-share po natin. I'll be also sharing some links of companies who are, or of BPO companies who are in need of employees or BPO workers na pwedeng work from home setup, online teachers, virtual assistant, freelance developers, freelance recruiters, affiliate marketing. I'll share it or I'll post it in the description box of this YouTube vlog. So there you go. I hope sana makatulong sa inyo and I hope safe kayo. Magdasal lang po tayo na matapos na tong pandemic na to and stay healthy and stay at home. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe here at, of course, dito, You're the Winner.